Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, October 20th, and this is my recap at the top of your videos from Friday. And on Friday, gold came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis on gold from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video, linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So either ways, gold just keeps on creeping up really nicely, and it's actually very obvious to me that this is a 1, 2, 3. So what I did was I threw my Fibonacci extension on the wave 1 and projected it off to the bottom of wave 2. We would expect normally to see around the 161.8% minimum for wave 3. So that tells me that we should still continue to be bullish. Even if it does push down, I would expect it to go up and hit at least this 2737 area, maybe even beyond, before we actually get a pullback, which would probably be about the size of this wave 2, and at least one more push up for the wave 4 and the wave 5. So don't really expect the trend is over. I'm definitely watching the 2737, 2740 area for a possible end of a wave 3, and then a wave 4, and possibly a wave 5 to complete the trend that started way back here. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.